Hi, I'm Michael,
And Yuri.
and welcome to Diva's
Diva's Realm.
Realm, Cards
Toys
and
and Travel.
Travel. Tayo ay nag-hunt sa 7-Eleven because nagkaroon nga ng post yesterday that there are perfect orders sa mga 7-Eleven. While that we know that, unfortunately, nasa church outing, church family day, at Sunday service kami, we are unable to go around that yesterday. So kanina kami nag-ikot-ikot, 7-Eleven.
At least
Ngayong,
the pool was fun. At least the pool.
yeah, April 13, 2026 today. Unfortunately, sa 6 or 7 na 7-Eleven namin na pinuntahan, wala. Walang stock sa 6 nun. Wala daw sila, hindi pa daw nagre-restock. And isa lang sa kanila nagsabi na naubos na kahapon pa. So dahil doon, meron tayong 4 packs na natitira. And hopefully, mabuksan natin at meron tayong ma-pull na something pampalubag loob lang. Ako
Cliff Harry is here. Should we call Pikachu or not?
akin to.
Should we call Pikachu?
No need. Alright, so pack battle muna tayo and this is our last packs of perfect order. Marami pa tayong kulang na cards doon. Like Ascended Heroes, wala pa talaga. So, pack battle, bato, pick. Bato, pick. Bato, pick.
Me first.
Oh, you first. Pack battle, 2 versus 2. Hopefully kayo ay nakakuha ng restock sa 7-Eleven yesterday. I saw isang booster box. Isang booster box na nakita ko. Kaya na-share ko to sa mga friends. And yun nga, akala namin fake news. Lo and behold, sila nakabili. Nakabili sila ng mga 3 packs, 2 packs.
It's not even
And
possible.
sayang, Sunday kasi kahapon, kaya
It's not even possible.
okay lang.
Guess the energy.
Water.
Green.
Sige.
Now it's
Ilapit mo na konti.
Now my luck is taking over.
Sige, go.
I think my luck is better than yours.
Seal fossil. Didende.
Is this the evolution of Pikachu
No,
or
no,
not?
no. Iba yan. Ariados.
From a green spider became a
Staryu.
Yancin.
Jason. Meowstic.
Meow.
Drapion.
Scorpion.
Raticates. Versatile Double Blade, and
Mega
Mega Starmie. Sana yung SIR, pero pwede na rin.
My luck is better than yours.
Pwede na rin yun. So, we got a hit. Let's leave it up. Iba-iba sleeves namin eh. May perfect fit na ganyan.
Perfect fit and perfect order.
Yan.
Perfect fit is perfect for perfect fit is perfect for perfect order because it's perfect order and perfect fit. Try to guess how many perfects did I see there?
I don't know how many.
I don't know too.
So, syempre, mga sleeve, kailangan natin sleeves. And sa iba, kayo guys, ini-sleeve nyo ba lahat kahit bulk nyo sa master set nyo? O yung mga hits lang? Yan, double sleeve tayo. Isang perfect fit at isang standard fit, syempre.
It's perfect fit because it's perfect order.
Alright.
And it's perfect.
Okay. Ako naman, meow. So, a perfect fit for a perfect order?
Yes.
Hopefully
our hits.
We got something good.
Hopefully our hits is also perfect.
Ilalagay ko dito, isa dito, no?
Only one. If you already put it, you'll see the hit.
Meowth, kasi si Meowth colorless, so
Fire.
ako colorless. 3, 2, 1. Oh, dark energy. Sige. Tingnan natin kung...
Darkness.
Oh, Sail Fossil na naman. Oh! Na naman? Oh! Same! Oh, Staryu rin! Ay, di, bago. Kala ko parehas eh.
Energy Starter.
Snivy. Meowstic and...
Hey!
Okay. We got something.
We got Mega
Starmore.
I just call it Gold Dragon.
It's not a dragon.
Looks like one.
I don't think Star Mori is a dragon type.
Because a dragon. No, it's not a dragon type. It's a steel type dragon.
Okay, your turn.
It is steel type dragon, just like Onyx. He's a Rockwood looks like a dragon too.
Okay. Okay.
My opinions.
Okay.
Wait,
Parehas.
Starmie and Skarmory. Gold, blue.
Alright. Ano yung ayan, Mega Starmie.
Mega Starmie.
Hopefully we get something. 2 for 2. Sana 3 for 2. 3 for 3.
If we open perfect order, we must have perfect sleeves and perfect hits.
Yes. Yes. I hope kayo nag-i-enjoy kayo sa pagbubukas ng perfect order.
Guess the energy.
Colorless pa rin ako. Meow. Colorless. SIR. Meow. SIR. Meow. Colorless. Ikaw, ano? Tagal ah.
Since I go to Taekwondo fighting.
Hey! Alright. Sige. Fletchling. Scatterbug.
Where's it?
Ito.
Where's the green?
Hunter. Probopass. Energy Swatter again. Puro walang bagong para sa common Yan, meron na tayo yan Fletchling, okay dito. And, no! Our first dud. 2 for 3.
What? First
dud.
dud.
Walang Okay, last pack magic.
I
Kay
thought-
Mega Clefairy.
I thought you were saying that like DAD.
No. Okay. Ang palubag-loob lang isang SIR lang Isang SIR lang please. Okay, guess the energy.
Green.
Ako colorless pa rin for the Meowth and water. Kuropi, Seal, Shinx, Spinarak.
Bunny.
Don't you know? Sa Spinarak, sa Pokemon Go, meron yan Dido card.
Should we
sa-
open Pokemon Go?
Pokemon Go na TCG.
Should we open Pokemon Go or play Pokemon Go?
Same. I do both. Last but not least, and yeah! Oh my gosh. 2 for 4. 2 out of 4
At
packs.
least it's not 1x4 like we did yesterday.
Yeah.
Like that
So at least nakakaroon kami ng 2 hits sa 4 packs na yun. And the search continues. So guys, be careful kasi maraming nagdanakaw, nanlilinlang, and pumapatay for the Pokemon. Especially abroad. So
What?
please be careful. Yes, may
Dying?
kill, yeah. People kill people. Other people are killing people for Pokemon. So please be careful sa
We're on our
Pokemon
phone.
yan. Ang Pokemon kasi it's a shiny cardboard until you sell it and make profit. But please don't put your life beyond Pokemon. So wag niyo hayaang dahil lang sa Pokemon may mangyari sa inyo masama. So please be careful always sa mga fellow TCG players natin, sa mga vendors and sa mga collectors. So be careful always. Please put your safety first. Sa Japan, 'di ba, kung napansin niyo sa Japan meron ding shooting. Hindi shooting, sinaksak. So please be careful always. So I hope and na you enjoy the hobby. And please, huwag yung hayaang mamatay kayo para lang sa Pokemon. So, be careful always. That being said, I'm Michael, and this is Diva's Realm, Cards
Toys
and Travel. Bye! God bless! Bye-bye!